What's up, Freedom Gorillas? Today we have yet another co-witness guide for you on the all-new Kimber 2K11 using all of the Trijicon RMR footprint optics. Let's get into it. If you didn't already know, all co-witness is referring to is how much of your iron sights are visible through the window of your optic. And as always, all of the optics that you see in today's video are available at freedomgorilla.com. We have the best price, free shipping, link down in the description below. Go click that link, get yourself set up. You'll be glad that you did. Alrighty guys, and we do have a few important things to note before we get started with the co-witness portion of the video. As you can see, this cover that we have over the optics cut has the iron sight built into it. Now, obviously, without a rear iron sight, how are we going to co-witness? Kimber in the box includes this plate specifically for the RMR, but again, we have no rear iron sight. It is not built in. So again, what do? So these are not available through us. They are only available through Kimber, but CH does make them. This is the Kimber RMR plate with the built-in rear iron sight. So as you can see, we have the iron sight built into that. Now, as I said, these are only available through Kimber. They are exclusive to them. So if you want this plate, or any of the plates, they do RMSC, Acro, DPP, and I believe pretty much all the other ones. I could be mistaken, but you can get those all from Kimber directly. You'd have to reach out to them and have them send one your way. I believe they cost around 80 bucks a piece, which isn't cheap, but they are a nice plate. So yeah, that is pretty much the only way you are going to get a built-in rear iron if you want to co-witness on this particular slide. Other than that, these are all of the Trijicon RMR footprint optics. This excludes the Trijicon RMR CC because that is not a regular RMR footprint. So of course, we have your classic RMR. I did not include the RMR Type 2 as it is virtually exactly the same as far as deck height and how it's going to co-witness. So this will apply to both of those optics. We have our SRO here. We have the RCR enclosed emitter optic that they sell. And we have our RMR HD. So that is all of the optics we're going to be covering today. So without further ado, I won't bore you guys anymore. Let's get into the actual co-witness portion of the video. Alrighty guys, and that is going to do it for yet another Freedom Gorilla Co-Witness Guide. So a couple things we need to go over here. Pretty much all of the optics except for the regular RMR and of course the RMR Type 2 are going to have a very, very low co-witness. Like you just kind of get a sliver of it in there. It is still there. You can still use it if you're trained on that kind of super low co-witness, but something important to note. So that goes for the RCR, the SRO, and the RMR HD. Those are all going to have that really, really low co-witness. Again, still there, still usable, but you kind of barely get anything there. Something to take into consideration if you're thinking about purchasing these plates, that optic. How much co-witness are you actually going to have? How much do you really need? That's totally up to you. Other than that though, I think it's great. I think it's great that you could buy these plates with the built-in rear iron. That is a huge help. It is unfortunate that they don't include it in the box, but they still make them, so not a huge deal. And of course, as I said in the beginning, all of the optics that you see in today's video are available at freedomgorilla.com. Link down in the description below. Best price, free shipping. Go click that link, get yourself set up. You'll be glad that you did. And remember to subscribe to Freedom Gorilla for the best optic content on YouTube. We love you guys. We appreciate you guys all for watching and being great customers. And of course, if you need any fitment guides, any advice, you can either reach out to our customer service team, check out our fitment guides on freedomgorilla.com, or right here on the YouTube channel, we have fitment guides for pretty much anything as well as co-witness guides. So check that out, guys. Again, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.